My name is Tim Leishman. I'm an instructor in the robotics program here at the College of Technology at Idaho State University. And this year for the 2024 ITF Summer Camp, we're doing two strands. We're doing the Benny amplifier, which is a little Bluetooth battery-powered amplifier. And with that same camp, we're also doing the breadboard power supply. So students get to build and assemble all these PCBs, and then we teach them how to do some prototyping, electronics prototyping. And for our second camp, we're doing more soldering, more building. We're doing a Class AB amplifier that's going to be wall powered, and we're going to just kick it up a little bit to the next level. Students who come to this class will get introduced to the robotics program here at the College of Technology. Currently, we have more recruiters than we have graduates coming on campus and recruiting our students. There's tons and tons of opportunities in this field. We're going to get to do some prototyping, we're going to do some soldering, they get some great tools, some awesome electronic kits, and we have a lot of fun.